Good morning, 9 minutes ahead of 5 o'clock. Let's check Monday morning markets now. Bryce Knorr of Farm Futures with us. Good morning, Bryce.
Good morning, Mick.
All right, well, we had great gains on Friday. How are we doing early this morning?
Well, we're seeing some follow-through buying across the board, corn, soybeans, and wheat this morning. Led by wheat, there's more short covering in play. The big speculators have been bearish on wheat all the way back since December. They're buying back those short positions now, so that's adding fuel to this rally, helping corn and soybeans too, as all the markets breathe a sigh of relief after last week's Federal Reserve meeting.
Now, we're getting some rain coming into the forecast anyways, rain coming into the Central Plains. Is that going to be good news or bad news for the markets?
Well, that could be potentially bearish for the market if it helps out the hard red winter wheat crop. So far, the rain has been pretty disappointing, not quite as heavy as the forecast as we headed into the weekend indicated. The market is really watching the development of the winter wheat crop, both here in the United States as well as in Russia. They've had their share of trouble there, both politically and meteorologically.
Other than weather, what fundamentals will move the markets this week?
Well, we're starting to look forward to USDA's big March 31st planting intentions report, where we released results of our latest survey last week. Showed corn acres down 2.5% to 88.3 million. Soybeans up 4.2%, 87.3, but that was down a million from what we found in January.
Yeah, excellent survey, and you surveyed about 1,200 farmers, a pretty good sample. Looks like there will be more soybeans. That's going to pressure the beans here as we head into April.
Well, it depends. The market has been looking for a lot of acres, so this didn't come as any big surprise. Other estimates out are indicating a similar type of increase. I think what we're looking at now is the prospects for Chinese demand, and then whether or not the producers in South America are going to be able to ship out the big crop that they're harvesting.
All right, for the week ahead, what fundamentals will move the livestock markets?
Well, we saw at least some higher trade on Friday in the cash market for cattle. Also, the cattle on feed report showed the weather hurt placements in February. That could provide a little support to the cattle market, but we are starting to run into some chart resistance there. The hogs could be ready for a seasonal turnaround. They've gotten beaten up very badly on large supplies. So they could be ready at least to try to carve out a bottom here.
All right, well, looks like they're on special at the grocery store. Ham for Easter, huh, Bryce?
I think that's the ticket.
All right, very good. Thank you. Bryce Knorr, Senior Market Analyst, Farm Futures and FarmFutures.com. Have a great day. It's coming up on 4:54, and next we'll take another check of the forecast and a preview of what's coming up next on the Valley Today.